Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, of course, you already know because of the title, it's on my January Boxycharm. My 2019 January Boxycharm. Like, we're already in the new year, guys. I am excited, like always, to open this box, but it's one particular item that I'm so excited for, and you will find out soon. If this is your first time watching my Boxycharm, I always try each item in the box on and then let you know my opinion. If I like it, if I don't, like what's wrong with it, what I love about it. So without further ado, let's get into my January 2019 Boxycharm. Okay guys, so the first thing of course you see is this right here. This is the well, this is the card, not a pamphlet this month. That's good. Theme of this is boxy and chill. First item is this right here. This is Tacha. Okay, now if you don't know, this is an expensive, oh, when I mean expensive brand. Almost every YouTuber, like beauty YouTuber that I watch, they rave about this brand. Tacha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. 2-pack. The retail price $24, and I am thinking it's just for one. The description says nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 ml of skin quenching serum and imparting an intense dewy luminous glow. For a girl that has dry skin, okay, like in the summer I have dry skin. In the winter I am like, oh my god, like extremely dry desert skin. I don't know if you can tell, but I have some redness, little dry spots, like always. Just hearing that this is Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, I'm just like, yes, give it to me. But I'm kind of like, I don't want to use this either on camera because this is expensive, and I want to use this when I'm, you know, relaxed, laid back. I'm gonna do it for you guys because honestly I want to know how dewy and luminous this looks. I'm supposed to leave this on for 15 minutes, peel off and massage remaining serum into skin. I'm excited that Boxycharm is actually using brands that are popular right now and also brands that you don't know about, because we get the best of both worlds. Oh, okay, stuff is already squirting out. Oh my gosh. It looks like milk. This smells really clean. I like it. And my hands are washed. Look like a damn ghost like always. Ooh, this feels real good on the skin. Oh, it's dripping. Oh no. Oh, but this feels so freaking good. The only thing I just don't like is that this is not staying right here. It keeps on coming off. Like, stay down. Now let the 15 minutes begin. I should have filmed this close up before putting this on, how my skin looked before the mask, but I was dried, especially right around here, and I have little red spots on my forehead. Peel and massage remaining serum into skin. The mask says that it will give you luminous, dewy skin, a healthy, radiant look for your skin, and I feel like it does give me that glow, and I'm liking that because for a girl that has dry skin, I don't want to see any dry spots, and I don't see any dry spots. My face doesn't feel dry at all. It does feel tacky. I do have a little bit concern because I am a little bit more red than I was before on my forehead. But hopefully that goes away. All right, next in the box, I see this right here. This is from Brigeo. I love this brand. This is the Roscaro Milk, the leave-in conditioning spray. I like how it makes my hair feel, and also it's cruelty free. The retail price $12. Effectively restores your hair softness, moisturize and shine with the Brigeo Roscaro Milk Spray, infused with the signature blend of ultra nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oil. The spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture, restoring luster and minimizing frizz. All right, my hair is not wet, but I still want to try this. I'm gonna do a little bit. Oh my god, I love how this smells. My hair is not as frizzy as before. I know I wasn't like this. I like their brand, so it's just like duh. So this is a hell yes. Next in the box is the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Retail price $18. Specially and carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. This self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. The spoolie at the end makes for easy blend, and the smooth and creamy formula makes for easy application. I don't know why I was like this the whole time. Like, okay. I don't love this product, but I don't hate it either. I like how it's creamy, but I feel like it's too creamy that you have to set it with a brow powder, because if not, then it would just disappear after a while. The color is too light for my brows. I had to use the darker powder in here to mix it in to make it look like my brows. I like the spoolie, but I'm not wow about the spoolie as well. I'm usually wow about spoolies, but I feel like it's too small. Okay, next in the box is this right here. This is let me just grab this. This is the Tarte limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette volume 3. Retail price $36. It says dive into this vegan crease free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmer and 1 matte nude that serves as the perfect transition shade. This blendable and long wearing formula is enriched with vitamin E, helping to hydrate and protect the lids. I'm loving the packaging. This is so cute. I love when things have mirrors on it. This is so cute. So it's only 1 matte, and it's this one right here. That is Tiki, and then everything else is a shimmer, a micro shimmer. I need some concealer to prime me eyes. Going into the matte shadow, going to set my lid. I am bringing that matte shadow on my brow bone as well. This is Malibu, and I'm gonna pop that in the crease. Now with my finger, I'm going to dip into Raise, this one right here. I'm gonna take this brush with nothing on it and just blend it out. No matter what, I feel like you should blend out your shadows and your crease. I'm gonna take this brush right here and dip into Treasure, applying Treasure into my inner corner, and a little bit of Escape on my brow bone. Off camera, I'm gonna finish my face and then come back to talk about how I feel about this palette. My thoughts on this palette. If you are not like a shimmer person, then this is not for you. I think this is so good, especially if you're a beginner or you just want something quick on the lids. You don't even have to use a brush. You could just put your finger in this and just tap it all around and keep it moving. Even with a brush, it did a good job for me. Or if you're trying to do a glam look, you know, you can use some other matte shadows and then pop this right on top, and it gives you such a nice reflective look. Like, it looks like it's just shining, you know, a little glow to your eyes. So last in the box is this right here. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Havana Nights. Havana Nights is from Kathleen Lights. They collabed Ofra and Kathleen Lights to do this, and she also has Miami Fever. This is a new packaging and I love this packaging. This is so chic, and honestly I like things that are square because it's easier to store them. Retail price $20. This matte liquid lipstick delivers long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lips. The stunning pigments stay put all day with minimum transfer while maintaining a comfortable wear. Infused with vitamin A and antioxidants, your lips will look and feel healthy all day. Once I tried Ofra's liquid lipsticks, I was like, oh, wow, they're so beautiful. I just love it. But now, the packaging, I'm loving even more from the old packaging. The applicator makes it so easy to outline your lips and fill your lips out. I didn't have any trouble. Like, it was just, I just love it. And then the color. Like, do you see this? This is so freaking gorgeous. I am loving it. The overall price of January's box 2019 is $110. My overall thoughts for this box, I actually really like every single item except the brow product. It was okay. I didn't love it, but I didn't hate it. It was just okay. These are the 3 items that I am loving. I love how this makes my hair feel, and it's just all around, I am loving it. I am gonna keep on using it. This right here, I know I'm gonna keep on using it because it's so easy to use on the days that I don't want to do so much on my eyes, but I want it to, like, you know, not look so regular. Then I would just dab into this to make it look glossy and have that nice shine to it. So it's like this would come in use, especially when you don't want to do so much on your eyes. And also if you're a beginner, this would be easy. Just dab in and apply. This, I already told you why I love this. I just can't wait to keep on using it. This is like the one that blew me away. So with this item right here, I was so excited to get this. I am still excited that I received this. It is good. I love how it made my skin feel and look not dry at all. But this is something that I won't buy all the time because this is kind of expensive. I feel like this is something I will splurge here and there when I want to pamper myself. So yeah, all the time, no. Once a blue moon, yes. Out of 5 items, there's only 1 that I'm not so wow about. So I feel like this box was a good box, a great box for me, because these items, you know, made me so happy. I wasn't expecting so much because I was so focused on this. So everything else, I was like, okay, you know, whatever. But then when I actually used them, I'm like, oh, okay, I do like it. I like it. I like it a lot. So that concludes this video. I am so excited for January's 2019 Boxycharm. I honestly hope this video was helpful because I do these videos for you guys, and you know, it's just fun for me too, because it's like trying new things out. It's like, ooh, what am I gonna get today, you know? So if you receive Boxycharm, please let me know down below which items you receive, which ones you like, which ones you dislike. If you don't receive Boxycharm and you want to receive it, I will leave the link down below in my description bar so you can sign up. With that being said, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and just always look on the bright side because you deserve to be happy. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. On my January box, what? Tugging or put or